Let's do the next question. That is exercise 5.3. It is second main question and the first sub question. The question is find the sums given below. Okay, and the AP is, I mean the sum is not the AP, but the sum is to find the sums given below. So it is 7 plus 10, 10 and a half plus 14 plus it continues up to 84. Okay, so we have to find what is the answer of 7 plus 10 and a half. 10 and a half is 10.5. So how do you get it? If you want to know like the details, 10 and a half, so mixed fraction, so 10 into 2 plus 1, 10 into 2 plus 1 upon 2, 10 2s are 20 plus 1 is 21, 21 upon 2 is 10.5. So 10 and a half means 10.5. Okay, so here the last term is known to you. Okay, so it is 84. So L is 84, which is the first term. A, it is 7. Okay, now what is the difference between the two terms? Okay, just imagine it as an AP. Okay, so this what is given here is sum of these terms. If you write it as 7 comma 10 and a half comma 14 comma up to 84. Okay, and if you subtract A2, if you do this A2 minus A1, 10.5 minus 7, okay, you get 3.5. Okay, there is a point here, so it's 3.5. So if you do 14 minus 10.5, still you will get 3.5. So here the difference is same, the common difference between second term, first term, third term, second term, etc. So it's an AP. Okay, you have to find the sum till 84. So last term is 84. So which formula you will use? You will use the third formula because the last term is known to you. Even the last term is known to us, we use the third formula. Okay, so it is AN is 84, that means the last term is 84. Okay, so when we will use the formula for Sn, we will use the formula n upon 2 A plus L. But is n known to us? Do we know how many number of terms are there? No, we don't know this. Okay, do we know A? Yes, we know A. Do we know L, the last term? Yes, we know the last term, but we don't know what is n. So first we need to find n. Okay, so for that, to find n, we'll use this formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, and nth term is given as what? 84th. We know that it is the last term, but we don't know what is its position, whether it is 50th term, it is 60th term. So n is equal to what? We don't know. So we will find it using this formula. An is A plus n minus 1 into D. It is given as 84, which is the last term, but we don't know whether it is, what is the number of, how many number of terms are here. So we find it first. Why do we find it? Because we need it in the formula, n upon 2. So if we don't know n, we cannot find Sn. Okay, hence we are calculating n here. So substitute the values. Okay, and at the end, okay, you get n as 23. Okay, all these steps are basics of maths. Okay, so you get n is equal to 23. So substitute it here in Sn formula. So S23. So there are 23 terms. So this, the meaning of this is you find the sum of 23 terms of the AP. So n is 23 means what? Means from 7, including 7 and 84. From here to here, there are total 23 terms. Hence n is equal to 23. So this is the 23rd term. So this is A23. Okay. So when we find this sum, we find the sum of 23 terms. Okay, because we've just found that n is equal to 23. So there are 23 terms here. So S23, sum of these 23 terms is n upon 2 A plus L. Last term is 84. You substitute the values. The final answer that you get is 1046.5. So sum of first 23 terms, or sum of all the terms that are given here is 1046.5.